Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a new update that was just released from ClassIn that's going to help you with your EDB files if you do it the same way I do, which I know there are a lot of people that when they create EDBs, they just save them directly into their ClassIn drive. They save everything on their ClassIn drive, whether it's their EDBs, their PowerPoints, images, videos, everything, they just store it on their ClassIn drive. But I know there are other teachers like me that prefer to save it in their own drive on their computer, their local drive on their computer. So how I organize my lessons, and I know a lot of teachers do it like me, you might organize it by day, and then in my folders under the day has the students that I teach. So when I'm ready to teach a lesson, all I do is I go to my computer, wherever I have my folders or files saved, and then I just drag it into the student's folder for that day. And then when I'm done teaching that student, I just delete everything. I don't need to save it on my ClassIn drive because I already have it all saved on my computer. Well, if you save it in the ClassIn drive and you have an EDB, all you have to do is open that EDB, and then you can edit it and save it directly into your drive. But if you do it the way I do, where I save everything on my computer, we couldn't do that without first dragging or moving the EDB back into ClassIn, and then you would edit it in the classroom, in the Blackboard, and then you'd have to resave it onto your computer. Well, now ClassIn has designed a way to save you that extra step of moving it back and forth between ClassIn to your computer, ClassIn to your computer. That way it's almost like just editing it from the drive, the ClassIn drive. So let's take a look at what that looks like. So I'm going to exit out of my classroom and I have ClassIn opened. The important thing to know here is ClassIn does have to be open for this to work. So over here you're going to see my file that is an EDB file. Before, it used to look like, I believe, like a piece of paper. And if I try to open the EDB from my computer, I couldn't see it. You couldn't open it because it's a ClassIn file specific to the ClassIn classroom. But now it looks like the ClassIn icon, just like if I was to open ClassIn. So now when I open it, voila, it opens just like it would if you were opening it from your ClassIn drive. And you're going to notice down here, it says edit locally because I'm using this locally from my computer. So I can click on that and I can edit this file just like I could edit it from the actual ClassIn Blackboard. So let's say I wanted to add an extra number here. So I went up to 50, I want to add 55. Oops, let me change the color. I want it to be orange. Okay, so I saved it, or I edited it. Now I'm just going to go down here and click Save. And exit out. Now, when I open it again, this is from my computer, it now has that 55 in there. Now when I go to use this file on ClassIn, I can, just like when I'm ready to use it, I still have to put it back into ClassIn when I'm ready to use it in class, of course, but I can edit anything I need to edit directly from my computer without having to move it into my drive first. This is going to save me so much time because even though I make EDBs all the time, I'm often changing them. I might use it one class and think, oh, I should do this, change it to make it a little bit better. So this will save me and hopefully save some of you who also save your EDBs to your computer, save you a little bit of time. Bye everyone.